Hello guys, myself Mahendra RM, and today I am going to explain you about how to create a tables in HTML. Here, tables that can be used to neatly display the information on a web page. Here, tables can also be used to control web page layout. Tables can be useful when creating a borders around the images and as well as text on your pages. Here let us considering an table parts. Here in HTML, a table it is mainly consisting of three parts, that is a row, header cells and as well as data cells. Let us consider and this is a table. In the table it is mainly consisting of four rows, that is nothing but rows. Header cell it is consisting of item and price. These are all the header cells which contain text that describes the data in a row or a column. Data cells. Yeah, these are all the data cells. It is mainly consisting of data. Now let us considering and defining a table in HTML. Yes, we are simply defining a table with the help of table tag. Within the table tags, we are going to create a table. Now let us considering and creating a table border. For a table, if you want to create a border with a 1px size, here we are going to make use of border is equal to 1 attribute within the table tag. Now let us considering creating a table row. Here tier tag that can be used to create a new row. Here no content that can be created yet the tag does not need to be closed. Here let us considering this is a single row. It can be created with the help of this tier tag. Creating a header cell. To create a header cell, we are going to make use of th tag that can be used to create a header cell. Here, this tag it can also does not need to be closed. The content follows the cell definitions. Now let us considering an example for header cell. Here we are having table tag with the border is equal to 1 as attribute, and we are having only one tier tag. It is nothing but we are having only one single row. Th tag that can be used to define a header cell with the item and as well as price are the names. Now let us consider creating a data cell. To create a data in a HTML, we are going to make use of td tag. It can be used to create a data cell. It does not need to be closed. The content follows the cell definition. Here this is the example to create a data cell in HTML. Here we are having mainly two tier tag. With the help of tier tag, we are creating a two rows. That is, this is a one row and this is a another row. In second row, we are having td. Td is nothing but we are creating a data cells with the name t-shirt and as well as rate of that t-shirt. Now let us considering few points to be mentioned. And the table would expand as much as necessary to accommodate the content. By default, the header cell that is th cells th tag make the content placed in them. It can be bold and as well as centered. Yeah, by default, the data cell that is td tags render the content placed in them aligned to the left. You can also be place any content as your wish in the cells. Now let us considering an specifying the table width. For a table, we can also be specify the width with the pixels. Here table is within the table we are having width is equal to 100. This is the attribute for the specifying the table's width, which can define the table width for the table 100 pixel wide. Specifying the table's height. Now let us considering an this example we are specifying the height of the table with the attribute height is equal to 100 pixels. which can define the height for the table with the 100 pixel wide. And this is the example for creating a table's height. Here we are having a table tags, that is within the table we are creating a border is equal to 1. For a table we are creating a border with the width 100 and as well as height is 50. Here this is the height of this table and width is 100 pixels, and we are having two rows, that is first row, this is the first row and this is the second row. Specifying the size of a cell. Here TD, within the TD tag we are having width is equal to 100 and as well as height is equal to 100, which can define the width and as well as height for the particular cell, which can affect a column width and as well as row height of a which this cell is a part of. Now let us consider for this box we are setting the height is equal to 100 and as well as width is equal to 200 pixels. We are specifying the size of a particular cell, that is for this cell we are creating a particular size. Next, centering a table. Here center, within the center tags we are going to make use of centering a table. By default table is left aligned. Now let us consider we are having a center tags, that is center. Within the center we are having tables, that is table tags. Within the table we are creating a rows and columns for a table. Now let us considering aligning a data horizontally. Let TD align is equal to left and TD align is equal to center and TD align is equal to right. These are all the three different type of aligning a data in horizontal form. Here to align a data cell horizontally, use the align attribute by default. The cell is aligned to the by default the cell is aligned to the left. If you want to right and as well as center, we are going to make use of align attributes, that is align is equal to center and as well as align is equal to right. Aligning a data vertically. Here TD V align is equal to top, TD V align is equal to middle and V align is equal to bottom. These are all the different types to align a data vertically. Here as shown in the following diagram, by default the cell is aligned in the middle. If you want for a top, for a bottom, we are going to make use of V align is equal to top attribute and V align is equal to bottom attribute. Now let us changing a row background. If you want to change the color of the background for a table, we are going to make use of bg color attribute. Here let us, as shown in the following figure, for a first row we are having a background color is yellow. We are setting the background color as yellow. Changing the cells background. For a particular cell, if you want to change the background color, we are going to make use of bg color attribute. Here for a second row we are changing the cell's background color only for a particular single cell. Now let us considering a changing a table's background color. If you want to change the background color for whole table, we are going to make use of bg color attribute. Here as shown in the following figure, we are having a table with the background color as yellow. Thank you.